How to fix notifications not showing on Facebook. In this video, I will show you how to fix notifications not showing on Facebook. First, open or launch the Facebook mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. After that, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the menu section of your account where you will see several shortcuts that will take you to different areas of your application. From there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you are here, tap on this option named Settings and Privacy. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see here. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Settings. This is the settings page of Facebook where you can manage and make changes to the settings of the application. From there, scroll down. After that, go to this section named Preferences. Under the section, there are several options. From the options, tap on this one here named Notifications. As you can see here, you will get a list of all the notifications you get on Facebook. Make sure you tap on each notification just like I have done here. After checking if the notifications are enabled. You can know this by checking if these toggle buttons are enabled. If they are enabled, then it means notifications will be sent to you. If they are turned off, then notifications will not appear. It is that simple. So go ahead and do that. Finally, if after doing that notifications are not working, then exit the Facebook app and go to the home area of the app where you will see a list of all the apps you have installed on your phone. From the list, look for the Facebook app and make sure you tap and long press on the app icon. After that, this menu will appear. From the menu, tap on this info icon here. This will take you to the app info page. After that, proceed and tap on this option here named Notifications. From there, go ahead and allow notifications by tapping on this toggle button. It is that easy. I hope you have found a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix notifications not showing on Facebook.